Dor-Mar Westerville Heating and Air Repair is proud to serve Central Ohio since 1962. Meet our third-generation owner, Stephen K. Brewer. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning has been serving Westerville and surrounding areas since 1962. Starting out as a small door-to-door company, Dor-Mar has grown to be one of the largest heating and cooling service companies in Ohio. My grandfather started our company in 1962, my father ran it before me. My father, Greg S. Brewer, started early on to help youth athletics in our community. This year, we sponsored over 25 Little League baseball teams with donations and other support. I started in this business at 19, with my father putting me in crawl spaces to run ductwork. I obtained my state commercial HVAC license at 25. We are a customer service-oriented company that focuses on reliable, friendly, and lightning-fast service. Our commitment is to the highest level of customer service. Dor-Mar Westerville Heating and Air Repair Service is proud to install and service quality Rheem and Coleman products. We pride ourselves on providing outstanding customer service for all makes and models of heating and cooling equipment. Dor-Mar is family-owned and operated. We hold our employees to the highest standards to ensure we provide our customers with the best HVAC service possible. We now have 40+ employees who are all passionate about taking care of our customers' needs. Our employees attend frequent training, ensuring we keep up with the ever-changing HVAC industry. As a result of our hard work and reliability, Rheem and Coleman recently recognized us as a top team contractor. We offer free estimates on new equipment installation, and provide customers with 24-hour service. Call us at 614-381-1540 to schedule a service appointment. Or call us for a free, no-obligation consultation to determine the perfect system for your home or business. We look forward to hearing from you and adding you to our long list of satisfied customers. We offer same-day no heat or no cooling service and repair, in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and surrounding areas. Call 614-381-1540 today, for service today. Or, visit our website to use our online appointment request form. We look forward to serving your family's every heating and cooling need for many years to come.
Dor-Mar, Dor-Mar, your climate hero.